So, ayan, ngayon pupunta kami ng Cornwall para sa holiday for birthday ni Lola. Bali, ang ginawa namin, nagkaroon kami ng separate car kasi hindi kasya lahat ng gamit namin sa isang sasakyan. So, si Lola at si Daddy magkasama. And then, ako at si Alex. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, punong-puno yung likod ng sasakyan namin. Oh, the sun is bright. So, ayan. Bumalik lang kami ng bahay kasi naiwan niya yung coat niya. This is where we are going to stay for a week. So one of these.
In Caravan Catraz.
Yeah, Caravan home. They look really nice. So we're on number 48B. So that one is 36. So I think it's a bit long way to go. We're on 48B. So ayun, dito kami mag-stay. Ang ganda, diba? Parang ano lang siya. Basta, diba? Pwede yan na yung bahay mo. Yo, Caravan Homes. So, ayan, ganyan siya. So, anong number na tayo? Ayan, 41 na yung palapit. 41. So, nasa 48 tayo. Ayan, 41 na yan. 42. Oh. So, we'll see.
I think he's gone the wrong way.
She said it's left.
Are you sure? Because 43, 44, actually 45, 46, all the that way.
Well, there's nothing in there.
No?
Oh yeah, he's coming back. So, ayan guys, babalik tayo kasi naka-wrong turn kami. 6-4. So, ayan, madaming caravan dyan. So, ayun, dapat dito pala talaga kami dadaan. So, 38. Oh, is that? Is that ours or not yet?
No, it's somewhere over there.
Diyan kami magsistay. OMG. 48B. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Itutour ko kayo ngayon kung saan kami magsistay dito sa Cornwall. So, sa Polset kami. Ito yung pag-stayhan namin ngayon. So, parang caravan home. Kasi, yeah, caravan home. So, 3 bedrooms to. And then, may toilet na siya. So, tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda. So, can you show them how big the whole thing? So, ang ganda niya sa loob. So, ayan. So, tingnan nyo. Ayan, ganyan lang siya sa kahaba. Ayan. So, come in. Wow. Welcome to my house. Just kidding. So, ayan. So, Dad is here now making cup of tea for Nani. And, hello, Dad. You say hello to my dad. Yeah. So, we're just making some tour. So, ayan, guys. Welcome to our home. So, ayan. Kakarating lang namin dito. Yeah. So, Dad is just making some tea for Nani. So, you have to say hello again, Dad.
Magandang gabi.
So, ayan. So, ito yung fridge namin. Akala ko kanina cabinet lang to. Pero tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ayan. So, Dad just put some stuff in it. And then, ayan, freezer. So, ayan, ganyan siya sa organize. And then, so, dito naman tayo. Kasi 4 kaming mag-stay dito. So, ayan, yung table namin. Good for 4. And then, so, we have the sala set. And, Nani is here. Nani, do you want to say hello to my vlog? Did you say hello to my vlog? Yeah, you have to say hello.
I got to say
Hello,
hello.
yeah. So,
How are you today?
yeah. So, so yeah. So it's Nani. And then, so ayan, ito yung loob ng mismong caravan. So ito yung pinaka living room namin. So ayan, may TV. What do you call this? Yeah, fire thing. Ayan, so imagine niyo kung gaano siya liit lang. Pero ang ganda niya kasi well organized. Ayan, so kumpleto. So pwede kami dito magluto. Like, we have this microwave. Is that microwave as well? Yeah, so we got 2 microwaves. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda ng sink. Very clean. Oh, and then we have this stuff like complete. We have the like utensils. Sorry that I'm on your way. So we have the oven here. So yeah, we can cook as well.
Gas hob.
Oh, gas hob. That's the oven.
Grill.
Oh, grill.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have this bread thing here. Yeah. Actually complete siya. Ang ganda lang kasi 'di ba parang you can't imagine na ano lang siya, parang caravan home pero kumpleto sa loob. Oh, we're gonna show them the toilet. So here's the toilet. So tingnan nyo, sobrang liit lang niya pero ang linis, and then the shower is here. Yeah, so small as well pero it's very clean. Yeah. So we have this small hallway. So we'll close that one. And then we're gonna go to bedroom 1. Oops. So they have this bedroom 1 here. I'm not sure if it is that or not. We're gonna go in there. Then they have this cabinet. So tingnan nyo, diba sobrang lang talaga niya. Pero 2 people can sleep in this one. And they have this everything actually. Ayan, cabinet. And they have this heating if Nani get cold. Mirror. So diba parang ang liit ng room pero kompleto. So okay, we're gonna go to the next room. So we are in the room number 2. So ayan, tingnan niyo yung room number 2 here. I'll try to turn this on. Oh, so they have this lampshade here. Yeah, so ito yung room number 2. It's got twin bed as well, and then the cabinet. So it's just the same from the other one. And they already have pillows here as well. The mirror there. And then, yeah, we're in the room number 3. And this is our room. So this is our room. Oh, it's a big room. So yeah, we have these pillows there as well. And tingnan niyo yung outside. So we have our own window here. It's not much like view in it. But ayan, so we have this, like, we can organize all our stuff in here. A mirror. Tapos, ayan, cabinet. So we can put everything in this later. And if you can show them the hallway, my love, from here to there. So they now. So ito yung hallway from room namin ni Alex to yung pinaka-living room. Diba? Ang liit lang ng hallway. Ayan. So, that's it, guys. Hopefully you're gonna get an idea and you're gonna be amazed how beautiful this caravan home here. So we're gonna be staying here for a week. So it's Saturday today. We're going to spend Nani's birthday here on the 19th. So Dad is cooking for our dinner. And he is being chef there. Look, he's really good slicing the onions.
It's not a sinigang. It's not sinigang.
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 Yeah.
It's similar.
Ah, okay.
Bacon, chunky bacon, chocolate onion,
Yeah.
carrot,
Yeah.
cabbage.
So our chef for the week. Our chef for the whole week. So yeah, that we're gonna stir fry the onions now. Look at their cabbage. It's different shape. It's like a heart shape. So I don't know what's that cooking, but he said it's similar to sinigang, but it's English version. So he put cabbage in it instead of kangkong. So he's going to cut the bacon now. Chunky bacon.
No, I mean I'm going to cut the bacon chunky.
Oh.
It's not called chunky bacon. I'm just cutting it so it's sort of chunky.
Oh, okay.
Big bits.
Yep. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. So Dad and I were gonna go to the shop. What are we gonna get, Dad?
Salt, pepper, mustard powder, if
Oh,
they've got
yeah.
it. If not, ordinary mustard.
Yeah, because Dad forgot to
Um,
bring them.
And mixed herbs.
Oh, okay.
And then we're going to put that in that casserole.
Yep. So that's where we're gonna go today. So it's already about 7 o'clock, but it's still, they got light. Oh no, it's sunlight.
It's a nice sunny day today.
Yeah.
But it's
So-
gonna, because it's a clear sky,
Yeah.
not much cloud, that means it's going to be cold tonight.
Oh.
Cold morning as well.
So we left Nani and Alex in the caravan because Alex had to look after Nani there. So Dad and I just brought one shopping bag because we thought we're just gonna get some herbs. But look how we ended up. Yeah. So we got loads of stuff. So yeah, going back to our caravan now. So Dad got loads of stuff then. You okay with that, Dad? Well, it's Dad that pick a lot of things. That's why.
Yeah, I don't know how we ended up with all this.
I don't know.
We certainly needed the potatoes.
Yeah.
You needed gravy.
Aha. So ayun, sabi ni Daddy kanina, isang basket lang dadalhin namin. Kasi, bili lang kami ng soup, pepper, herbs, mustard. Pero tingnan nyo naman, sobra sa isang basket. So, did you regret you didn't bring more shopping bag, Dad?
No, we're fine. Next time, I have got shopping bags in the car. spare.
Yeah.
But the Spa is expensive. If you want to do a big shop, it's better to go to
Like proper one.
Weybridge supermarket.
Yeah, we should, when we drive sometime, we could always drop by.
Yeah.
So, Dad and I on our way back now to our place. So we just walk. I think it's about 5 minutes walk, Dad.
Yeah, it's not more than 5 minutes.
Yeah. So, Dad carried
They're all
most
those
of our
birds up
things.
there, they're all getting ready to roost.
I
Look
said,
at that.
tingnan niyo yung birds. Yeah.
They'll all go in one by one.
Then it's already, oh look, it's a lot of them. Yeah, it's already 7:30, but we still got sun. When we used to stay in the house there, Dad, it's got a really nice sunset view.
Yeah.
Do you remember that
What,
house?
by the campsite?
No, the hair, and there over there.
Hereford.
No, the house there that we used to stay. Rest Harrow.
Rest Harrow.
Yeah, so
By
we
the
used.
campsite. That's what I said. By the
Oh,
campsite.
okay. So yeah, we used to stay there. So we are here now.
I asked about it for this trip, but it was
Yeah.
already fully booked.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna see what these two are doing here. So, Nani and I.
I'll take my glass.
Oh, are we? So, ayan guys, mag-shopping kami ni Lola. So, we're gonna do some shopping today, Nani. So, ayun. So, kailangan namin mag-shopping for some food, stuff that Nani needs to as well. Stuff like that. So, you say hi to my vlog, Nani. Hi, vlog. So, we just sat down here. Sa, ayan. So, andito kami ngayon sa car park sa may pole set. Someone's there. Nani is here. Hello, Nani.
Hello there.
Yeah. So, ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa car park para manood lang ng ayun, waves. Yeah. Sanda. Ayan. So kung so, kung makita niyo doon, ayan. So, aircraft carrier nila dito. Ayan. So, kung makita niyo dyan, ayan o, aircraft carrier. Sabi ni Alex. So, ayan, yung pinaka-tuktok doon. They call that Pentar Point. Is it?
Yeah.
Pentar Point. Ayan. So, sobrang taas niyan pa doon. Ooh. I'm just showing them, Nani, some of the beach. Ayan. So, ang ganda niyan dyan surf. I think 5 years ago, nag-surf ako dyan. Nagkaroon ako ng parang yung lesson. So, pero sobrang lamig kasi ng tubig. I think later on, we're gonna do some paddle with Nani and Alex. So, yeah. Yan. So, ayun guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa pole set. So, ito yung, kung nakikita nyo sa mga pictures ko dati, ito yung pinupuntahan namin. Ito yung beach na gustong-gusto nila Lola. So, Sa Cornwall to. Ayan, so andito kami ngayon. Nani, hi! Ayan, so nag-park lang kami dito kasi hindi naman pwede mag-swimming si Lola. Tingnan nyo naman, balot na balot kasi sobrang lamig dito. So, parang yung tubig nila is ice water dito. So, dito lang muna kami. Bali, manonood lang kami. Sa waves lang. Kasi yun lang naman lagi nilang ginagawa dito. Tapos siguro mamaya, kung medyo okay yung pag kami dito, yung papupuntahin namin siya dun sa medyo mababaw lang. So, ayun, napasugod tong isa. Napasugod yung isa kasi si Lola ayaw namang pupigil kahit sobrang lamig. So, syempre hindi man pwedeng iwan si Lola mag-isa. Ayan, nagpapaddle lang kasi hindi rin naman niya kaya mag-swimming sa sobrang lamig talaga. What you done, Nani? Oh! So, ayan guys. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Polzet. Nani, you want to say hello to my vlog? So, how's the water here, Nani?
Very cold.
Is it? Oh, can you imagine Alex having the hoodie? Ayan. So, si Alex kasi, gusto talaga lagi niya malamig. Pero, tingnan niyo, naka-hoodie siya ngayon. Ibig sabihin, malamig! Kasi, kahit malamig minsan, naka-electric fan pa yan. Pero tingnan niyo dito, oh my God. Ang silaw. Okay, so we'll head back. So, maglalakad na kami. Pabalik sa sasakyan. Well, thank you for doing it, Nani. So, it's our third day today.
Yeah.
Is it third day, Dad? It's our third day today.
That's that. You see.
And Nani's wanting to... Oh, so fourth day. Nani is just fixing my hair. She wanted it.
Yes.
I'm gonna curl it later, but she wanted to
Yes. You see,
sort it.
you're a long time long.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, Nani's just very sweet. So, hindi pa kami tapos mag-parlor.
Do you want just straight?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna curl it later.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought
After
she
you do.
would. You know,
Yeah.
That's what it wants. A little curl in it.
Oh, okay then. So, ayun guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Boscastle Town. So, ayun, tingnan niyo yung stream. Tingnan niyo, napakalinis ng tubig nila. Yan, so stream. So, sabi ko kay Alex, siya muna humawak kay Lola. Kasi gusto ko mag-vlog. So, eto, actually, yung history nito dati. Kasi nakapunta na rin kami dito dati. Parang, long time ago. Kasi parang ano siya, yung, kung makita niyo, puro high, ano yung sa taas. Highlands. So, long time ago, nagkaroon sila ng baha dito. So, what did you say, Dad? How long?
Yeah, 20 years ago,
Yeah, what happened?
it rained very much in a short period of time,
Yeah,
and all the water run off the hills behind us, the valley,
yeah,
and the stream flooded,
yeah.
and so much water come down that it started to flood all the houses and damage the bridge. That goes
And some
across the
people
stream.
died here as well?
I don't think anyone died, but everyone actually rescued because
By helicopter, didn't
some
you?
of the houses actually fell down with the force of the water,
Yeah.
and helicopters had to come and rescue people and airlift them out.
Gosh. So,
and,
ayun.
and then there was a long process of repairing the village and rebuilding what had been washed away.
Yeah, so that's the story based on that. Kasi tingnan nyo, uphill kasi siya. So, pag kayong kunyari bumaha, dito lahat ng tubig talaga sa baba. I'm telling them the reason why they had that, because if you can see, they're surrounded by the hills.
Yeah.
So, when the rains come down, it's all just in this
Yeah.
village. So, yun, pero ang ganda ng village na to. So, ayun guys, dito kami ni na Lola sa Boscaso. So, nag-aantay lang kami kay Lola, at kay Daddy, tsaka kay Alex. Kasi, they will just check kung saan kami dadaan. So, the easiest way.
It is. It's
Yeah.
lovely.
You've been having a nice day, Nani?
We are having a lovely time.
Yeah? You're enjoying it?
And it's gorgeous.
Uh-huh.
We've got a bit of wind, but we've got
Yeah.
the long, lovely sun as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, where are we going now, Dad? Ayan, so pinaglalakad na naman nila ako dito. Charit. Ayan. So, ayan yung town kung saan kami galing. Maganda yan doon sa mismo mamaya. So, mukhang hindi kaya ni Lola maglakad. Mukhang babalik kami. Ayan. So, babalik kami kasi medyo too much walking for Lola. So, babalik muna kami ngayon. So, ayun. We all decided na dito kami maglakad ngayon sa kabilang side kasi mukhang too much para kay Lola yung dun sa kabila. So, ayan. Si Alex sa kanya yung may binani man sa paddle there. Gusto ni Lola maglakad din. Ayan, lamig-lamig naman ng tubig. So, the stream, kasi tingnan mo, ang ganda ng stream nila. Got some dogs. So, yeah. Ayan, sa iniwan na nila ako kasi nag-picture taking pa ako dun sa white background. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kaninang stream. So, all the way siya dun sa town. And then, ayan. Tapos, pag nagtuloy-tuloy pa kami dun, dagat na yun dun sa dulo. Pero hindi natin, tingnan pa natin kung kakayanin ni Lola ang lakarin. Yung layo. What are you doing there, Dad? Huh? What are you trying to do there?
It's rowing.
Where?
They go out there, all the men get down, they've got oars.
Yeah?
But 10 people sit in the boat and
Ayun, yung boat sinasabi
they
niya.
row out to sea. And
Oh.
every so often they have a challenge, they have a race,
Yeah?
a rowing race.
Oh. What, they do that here?
Yeah. And
How
do
can
it-
they get in the sea?
Well, when the tide's in, this is all full of water. It's because the tide's out at the moment.
Ah.
When
Oh,
the
okay.
ti-
So yung stream pala na to, that is explaining, yeah.
but
When it's high tide.
when it's high tide,
Yeah.
it'll all be full of the sea.
Oh.
So those boats down there be floating. The ones
Oh,
down there that
what?
are moored up.
Oh, yung boat daw na yan doon, kung makikita nyo. Pag high tide pala to, puno to ng tubig yung stream na to. Okay. So, sabi ni Daddy, pag nag-88 daw siya, dalhin namin siya dito kung kaya din niya maglakad. Kasi si Lola mag-88 na sa 19. Kaya pa rin niya maglakad dito. So when you're 88, you want us to bring you here, Dad? Oh. And then we're gonna take Dad to that boat. Ayan. think that's too much to come down, Dad, later. Oh gosh, it's easy to go up, but going down is a bit challenging later. No, Dad, I think. Ito sana yung view na makikita ni Lola ko. Nakarating siya dito. Kasi ang hirap. Kita niyo dun sa pinakataas may mga tao din.
You'd be in the water and you'd be sitting on the stone and you'd be cleaning your teeth.
So sabi ni Lola, pwede daw bumaba doon para hindi mag-toothbrush.
I'll try not to get one over.
Smile, Nani!
Oh, okay. That's very nice.
Kakain lang kami ng pasty. Kasi ito yung itsura niya. Hinihiwa ni Lola. So, yung laman niya is beef. What is it inside?
Potato, beef, onion, carrot.
Yan. So,
Yeah.
best talaga siya nabibili dito sa Cornwall.
Bit of
It's
gravy.
pastry. Yeah.
Sometimes they put sweet in it as well.
Okay. Yep. Where are we? In the toilet. No. Naghihintay lang kami kay Alex galing car park. Kasi hindi na kami naglakad ng malayo para kay Lola. So, ayan. Kinuha na lang yung sasakyan. Nani, hi. Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Hi, vlog. So, ang ginawa namin, hindi na kami nakapag-ice cream. Nag-ano na lang kami, nag-pasty, tapos coffee for Nani, JO2 for me, and then Fanta kay Alex, kay Daddy, ano din, coffee and pasty, and then for me is carrot cake. Tapos tingnan nyo, habang nagda-drive kami, may mga wild blackberries. Dad, is it wild black? Dad, what do you call this?
Blackberries.
Wild.
Wild blackberries.
Ayan. So, mayroon, ayun to. Diyan lang yun galing sa may bintana namin. So, harap. Kada yung hagasan. Oh gosh. So, medyo maliit yung road dito. So, good luck. Si Alex yung nagdadrive. Ayan si Lola.
You've got plenty of room, Alex.
So, kami ni Daddy na yung upo dito sa likod. Kasi, mas madali kay Lola akat baba sa harap ng sasakyan. Lola na yung pinupupo namin sa harap. You want some now? Okay. So, okay. So, binigyan namin ng blackberry si Lola. Do you want some?
I dropped it.
Where are we going? So, we're going to Router. Router. Akala ko Router.
Blackberry ice cream.
What's in the Router, Dad? What are we gonna expect there?
Rocks.
Rocks?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with the rocks?
Hilly granite rocks
Oh, what are they for?
for you to climb.
No, I don't think I want to climb. One. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ooh, birthday, Nani. Happy birthday, Nani. Happy birthday, Nani.
88.
Yeah.
Dreadful, isn't it?
What we've got to do now is eat it.
You blow your thing, Nani. You have to blow it.
Yeah, make a wish.
Mm.
Blow the candles and make a wish.
Blow.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's it. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Ngayon, pupunta kami ng Padstow para maggala-gala. Ano to? Town. Kasi birthday ni Lola today, so we're going to Padstow today. And then, fish and chips kami doon. Tapos,
Or you can have a pasty.
or pasty. So, ayan. Kasi gano'n naman sa kanila, hindi naman gaya sa atin laging big party. So, kami dito parang, ayun, titreat lang namin si Lola na lalabas lang kami. Fish and chips kami doon, tapos ice cream, yung ano nilang ice cream dito. parang sa kanila mismo yung Kelly. Isn't it that Kelly is from Cornwall?
Who?
Kelly ice cream.
Yeah, Kelly ice cream is Cornish ice cream.
Cornish ice cream.
Made with Cornish cottage cream.
Yep. So that's our thing to do today. Celebrate Nani's birthday, and then tonight, so pag bumalik kami ng accommodation namin is papainumin namin si Lola. Charot.
Pardon?
So ayan, dito kami ngayon sa Padstow. Padstow?
Padstow.
Yeah. So it's a town.
It's a sea harbour, fishing port.
Yeah. So Nani! Nani's just feeling the breeze. So ayan. So ayan guys.
Ferry stopping there now. Can you see it over there, the ferry?
Ayan, so yung ferry na sinasabi ni Daddy.
You see all the people getting off? So they
So
have to walk
sobrang
across.
windy. You know, I'm used to English weather na. So I didn't wear my coat today.
Can
So
you see
ayan,
the ferry?
maglalakad na kami ngayon dito sa town.
They're dropping, because it's low tide, they can't come in. So they drop them off over there and then they have to walk along the field and down into Padstow. Because it's all sand, look.
So ini-explain lang ni Daddy kay Lola kung ano yung mga nakikita. You know that every time you speak, they can hear it.
Really?
Oh, you got microphone. So we're gonna do some vlogging here today in Padstow. Like 8 years ago, I've been in Padstow as well. But I cycled up here. Oh, where's Nani? So yeah, we're gonna do some vlog today. We'll see. We're gonna walk around the town. And I'm getting cold. Pero papanindigan natin na nakaganito tayo ng suot ngayon. So ayan yung ice cream nila. Do you want to do the ice cream now? Or later? Maybe later before we come back to the car. So yun yung sikat nilang ice cream. Kelly. Kelly's ice
Want ice
cream.
cream? Ice cream? You want one?
What now?
Like that.
So Dad is
But you'll have
having
to be
more
quick
ice cream.
because it will melt quick. Want one? Ice cream?
So Dad is going to get us an ice cream.
Hello. One flake tub, please.
What flavor is it? Ayan. So yung flake tub yung kukunin ko, 4 pounds.
And one single cone, but don't make it too big because it's
You want
for my
one?
mum. She's a
You
slow
want one?
eater.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be great. That's fine, thank you.
So fresh Cornish
That's it.
ice cream.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can we have a tissue, please? Thank you. Thanks. Oops, thank you, Dad. Me and Nani having our ice cream. Cheers, Nani. Ayan. So, Dad, what's that? I see a pond.
Huh?
I see a fish pond.
This is a lifeboat here.
No,
look.
what's this? Is it a pond?
What?
This water? Or is it a part of the sea?
It's a harbour.
Oh,
We
it's a
call this
harbor.
Harbour or a quay.
Swimming pool. Alex said.
What they do is when it's full tide,
Oh, yeah.
they close the door so the
Ah.
water stays in, the sea stays in here and it stays high. If they
Okay.
opened up that door, all the water would run out.
Oh, I see.
So they keep the boats nice and safe. But this
Okay.
is a lifeboat. This is
Ah.
what's used when your boats are in trouble and they have to rescue you.
So that is our tour guide today. You do it better, Dad, okay? Let's go. Buildings, Dad. Are they like old buildings here?
Yeah, these buildings have probably been here
What are they famous for? Why are the
a
tourists?
couple of hundred
like-
years. Well,
I mean, you know, why did they become tourists?
it was a fishing
spot.
village.
Ah, I
It's a
see.
fishing village.
Yeah.
But more recently, it's always been a nice place to come and visit
Mm.
and have a pasty or an ice cream,
Mhm.
do a bit of window shopping.
Mhm.
He's
Ano?
a, he's
Why is
a,
it famous now?
he's a chef, he's a TV celebrity.
The Rick
called
Stein.
Rick Stein. And he has quite a few cafes and restaurants here.
Yeah.
And some of them are so busy
Yeah.
that you have to book a year in advance to,
Wow.
to get a table.
And they're too expensive. We've been there
It's
before.
very expensive, yeah. But that's maybe a good reason why it takes a year for you to get in because it gives you time to save up.
Because you confirmed you got your
Yeah.
booking.
It's no good being Wallapera here.
Yeah. Si Dad ng hot steak, Tagalog gabi. Wala pera. So where are we going now, Dad?
We're going up towards where you can get the boat rides from, and
Mhm.
also where the ferry would
Yep.
take you from Padstow to Rock.
Yep.
across the River Camel. It's an estuary. It's a sea estuary. It's called the Camel Estuary.
What, the sea?
Yeah, this little sort of estuary is called the Camel Estuary.
Coming.
Camel.
Camel.
Camel, as in the desert, camel.
Ah, you say it, camel.
Camel.
Not camel.
Wow.
Kinakain kasi ni Daddy yung mga letters niya. Camel. Sabi
Yeah.
ni Daddy, camel. How you say it? Camel.
Camel.
So, ayan. So, para makapag-vlog ako, si Alex yung nagbabantay kay Lola muna.
I said, today is a strong sun.
Yeah.
But because we got a sea breeze, it doesn't feel really hot. So you catch the sun without knowing it.
Okay.
That's why I put suntan lotion on today.
Did you? It's very sunny. Yeah. The English weather. So tomorrow you don't know if it's gonna rain or not. Isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, it can change
Nani
quick.
and Alex there. Just watching the sun. So sana kung hindi kami naabutan ng low tide, dapat magfe-ferry kami galing dun sa kabilang side hanggang dito. Kaso dahil nga low tide na siya, maglalakad ng ganyan, napaklayo si Lola yun sa sand na yan. So hindi siya possible. So ayun guys, ngayon last day kasi namin dito sa pole set. So mag-ano kami ng mussels. Tahong, kukuha kami. Kasi pwede dito. Yung kami mismo yung kukuha. Kasi low tide ngayon, sasamahan ako ni Alex mag-pick ng tahong dito. So, tingnan natin. So, ayan, kasi naka-low tide ngayon. Pagka high tide kasi lahat yan, covered ng water. Makita niyo yung parang mga black doon sa unahan? Ayan na yung mga tahong. Siyempre, pipili lang tayo ng malalaki. Kasi, yung iba sobrang liit. Tingnan niyo. Yan, tahong yan. So, tingnan niyo naman yung tahong. Ang dami. Kaso dito, parang wala masyadong nangunguha actually. Siguro like yung mga kagaya ko lang na gusto kumain. Sila kasi hindi nakain. Look. So, ganyan talaga yung color ng tahong nila dito. So, look. I got about, I think it's a kilo now. But I'm tempted to pick more. Yeah. I'll put water in it. There. So, ayan, para fresh pa din siya. Ayan, tatry namin mag-beach. Tapos, dahil naka-low tide, ang layo ng tubig. So, buti na lang dito sa beach na to. Meron silang, ayan, wheelchair na pwede namin hiramin para kay Lola. Kasi, hindi niya na kaya maglakad ng ganun palayo. So, free yan. Pinuntahan ko lang dun sa may lifeguard. Sabi ko kasi hindi na si Lola pwede maglakad ng malayo. And then, ayan, binigay naman nila. Ang ganda niya, handy. Kasi hindi namin kailangan mag-alala kay Lola. Baka kasi mapagod siya maglakad. Kasi makita niyo ang layo ng tubig. Dahil low tide. Na new wheel. On her way to beach. Hello, Nani. Maybe just, you know where that flag? Yeah, he said we can take it all the way down there.
Into the water.
Yeah. She don't want it. Swimsuit ngayon nung sa Pilipinas kami. So, ayan. So, yeah, I could.